I am gonna throw everything into one pot.
I'm so wowed, I don't even know what to say. Oh, you look overwhelmed.
You like the Dacia stuff?
What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Contraband spices in a Dacia.
Hello, I'm Alice Levine and I am here in the Great British Outdoors. I've teamed up with Dacia to test the skills and good thinking of 3 of the UK's top adventurers. Let's meet them.
James, Adele and Aki, welcome to Fill Your Boots. Today's challenge is food for thought. We've provided you with a selection of delicious ingredients from which you're going to whip up a meal for our lovely but very, very hungry crew. So you're going to have 1 hour. You're going to do it all in the great outdoors. And I want bold flavours. I want unique ideas. And one more thing, you're going to have to give us all a lift to the campsite. So we're going to load in with you in your Dacia joggers. Hope that's okay. Right, 1, 2, 3. Fill your boots.
Who's coming with me?
Everybody in? Loads of room.
I've got some beef, pak choy, quite a few spices.
I've got flour, so maybe flatbreads.
Right, I'm gonna go back to my roots. I'm gonna make a mutton chops curry.
I think I'm going to make some steak and chips.
And I am gonna throw everything into one pot and just see what happens, like a chickpea surprise. Guys, I've got the fire lighter, so looks like I'm starting the fire. Man makes fire.
I've got my secret way of getting all those flavours to jump out.
Oh, right, go on. What's the secret way?
I can't tell you them.
Is this something that you've made before?
Not really.
What's the main flavour, would you say?
Generic spices.
Generic spice, my favourite.
Yeah. All these flatbreads out.
What would your dream meal be?
I love a good picnic on the beach at Blackrock Sands. It's in North Wales and you've got amazing views at a fraction of the price of going to a Michelin-star restaurant.
Why was climbing Everest even more difficult than usual?
And I wanted to do it so badly that it fell in Ramadan and I had to do it whilst fasting.
I'm so wowed, I don't even know what to say. Guys, that's 30 minutes to go, half the time gone.
I've made 3 flatbreads, this is the final one, so...
In your life or today?
Both.
Both?
Yeah.
Why does this keep falling over?
How do you know how much to put in?
Well, I don't. I'll taste it in a minute.
Yeah, best to put it in first, then taste it. What are you doing?
Nothing. There's nothing there, look.
You always carry these in a car door? Contraband spices in a Dacia. All right, is this the taste test? Oh, you look overwhelmed.
You like the Dacia stuff?
It's quite spicy.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm done.
The gannets are already eating, so we should see how they're getting on. How's the steak gone down?
Steak is perfect. Yeah, it's not...
And the daikon chips?
Very good.
Holy moly. OK, that, my friend, is a surprise I don't ever want to encounter again. But, oh my goodness, what delicious flatbread. OK, the crew have voted with their forks. Some people really loved it, and some people had different feelings than that.
Polarised opinion.
Polarised opinion. Adele, I think the plates speak for themselves. Not a scrap of meat left. And Aki, perfectly cooked rice. Everybody was raving about the meat. So a huge success. So James, let's start with you. 31. Out of what? We simply don't know.
Wow, I'll take that, I'll take that.
Aki, you managed to get 38 points. And Adele, our winner for this challenge, 40 points.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Okay, let's see what that does for the Dacia Good Thinking scoreboard. James, 67 points. Adele, 78 points. And Aki, 87 points, which makes you our Dacia Good Thinking champion. Congratulations.
Hey.
I think this just shows you don't need a Michelin-starred chef to have a good meal, just some good thinking and resourcefulness, and lots of chilli powder.